Miss Allison Online. Thank you so much for joining me on this next video. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the vowel digraph double O. I am very excited about learning about this vowel digraph and I hope that you are too. Make sure you have your pencil and your paper so that you can join me in writing all of our words and our caption today. Okay everyone, let's start with our learning intention. Remember, our learning intention is we are learning how to use our knowledge of graphemes so that we can write new words in a sentence. Our success criteria is we will know we are successful when we have written our sentence making appropriate spelling choices. Remember, a phoneme is a speech sound. We say and hear phonemes. A grapheme is a spelling choice. We see and write graphemes. Okay, let's do our phase 3 phonemes using our voice and our actions. J like jelly, V like volcano, W like watch, X like box, Y like yo-yo, Z like zebra, Z like fizz, Qu like queen, Ch like chicken, Sh like shoe, like thumb, like ring, A like rain, E like leak, I like night, O like goat, U like moon. And today's phoneme is oo like moon. Now, it is actually a tricky phoneme. It has a long sound and a short sound, but I'll explain that to you in a moment. Our double O phoneme is a vowel phoneme because it has two vowels making up one sound. So we call it a vowel digraph. Remember how I said it has a long sound and a short sound? Well, that is because we can hear it making two different phonemes in different words. Let me show you. So if I was to show you the word book, when we sound talk the word book, we say b-ook, book. But when we sound talk the word boot, we hear b-oot, boot. Oh, that's different. Book and boot. You can hear in the word book a short vowel sound, b-ook. But in the word boot, you can hear a long vowel sound, b-oot, boot. Alright, let's do our sound talking. I would like you to put the word long at the top of your page, and then I want you to put the word short at the other side of your page. Because we are going to be looking at a long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. The graphemes that make up the sound is always going to be double O. Okay, let's begin our first word to sound talk. This word has a long vowel digraph of the double O. It's going to say oo. The word is zoom. Let's sound talk it together. Z, oo, How many phonemes? 3. Let's draw 3 phoneme boxes underneath the word long. What do you hear at the start of the word zoom? A Z. Good work. Z. Z. Oo. Oh, that's our vowel digraph. Double O makes oo. Z. Oo. Ooh, what's at the end? That's right, letter M. Zoom. Now, let's put our sound buttons and sound bars. Sound button, sound bar, sound button. Excellent. Now let's do one with the short vowel digraph in it. Next word we're going to write underneath our short is look. Listen how this sounds different to the word zoom. L-ook. See how it's got a short vowel digraph? It's not making oo like zoom, it's making oo like look. Okay, how many phonemes in the word look? L, oo, k. 3. We need 3 phoneme frames. Can you do that for me? Excellent. Now, what is the first phoneme you hear in the word look? L. Oh, that's right, grapheme L. What is the second phoneme you hear in the word look? L. O. Do you think it's our vowel digraph? Me too. L. O. K. Double O. And what do we hear at the end of look? L. O. K. Oh, it could be a C. Could be a K. Could be CK. What do you think would look right? Me too. It is K. Well done. I would like you to put your sound buttons and sound bars on with me. Sound button, sound bar, sound button. Well done. You are doing really well. Okay, our next word we're going to do is we're going to start with our long vowel sound again. It is going to be the word food. Sound talk the word food with me. Food. Can you hear the long vowel digraph? Food. Well done. How many phonemes do you think it has in it? 3. Let's draw 3 phoneme boxes. Well done. What phoneme do you hear first in the word food? That's right. It is the letter F. What phoneme do you hear next? Ooh. Do you think that's our vowel digraph? Me too. Well done. Ood. What phoneme do you hear at the end? Ood. D. Well done. Excellent work. Now I would like you to put your sound buttons and sound bars. Does it look like mine? Excellent, you are so good at this. Okay, our next vowel digraph is going to be the short phoneme we hear. It is going to be U sound. The word is going to be cook. Can you sound talk the word cook with me? K, U, k. Oh, how many phonemes? Well done, it is 3. Can you draw 3 phoneme boxes, please? Well done. What is the first phoneme you hear in the word cook? K. It could be C. It could be K. Ooh, what would look right? C. That's right, it begins with the letter C. K. Oh. What do you think goes in the middle? Our vowel digraph. Well done. K. Oh. K. Oh. What do you think goes at the end of cook? There's lots of K sounds I can hear. It could be C. It could be K. It could be CK. What would look right? K. Oh. K. That's right. It is K. Well done. I would like you to put your sound buttons and sound bars. Sound button, sound bar because 2 letters making 1 sound, and sound button because it's making a sound by itself. So we have our long vowel sound like in ood, and our short vowel sound like in k, cook, but they're both using the same vowel digraph. It's a little bit tricky, but you're very clever, so I know you will get it. Okay, let's do 2 more words. Our long vowel sound is now going to be the word roof. Let's sound talk the word roof together. Oo, roof. How many phonemes? 3. Well done. Let's draw 3 phoneme boxes. Okay, what is the first phoneme you hear in the word roof? That's right, it is the grapheme R. What is the second phoneme, do you think? Oh, is it our vowel digraph? Yes, that's right. Write it down. What comes at the end of roof? That's right. It is the grapheme F. Let's do our sound buttons and sound bars. Sound buttons, sound bar because 2 letters making one sound, and sound button. Oh, I'm so amazed. You are going so well. Good work. Our next word we are going to do is the word shook, like I shook the blanket. I wonder how we would spell shook. It has the short vowel digraph in it. Let's count how many phonemes it has in it first. Sh, k. How many? 3. Let's draw 3 phoneme boxes. Do you think comes at the start of the word shook? Shh. Oh, hold on a minute. I think it might be a digraph. Listen again. Shh. Do you know what 2 letters make? Shh. That's right, an S and a H. Write it down. Shh. Well done. You did your own digraph all by yourself. Shh. What do you think is in the middle? Shh. It's our vowel digraph. Well done. Write it down. Shh. What do you hear at the end? Shh. K. It could be C. It could be K. It could be CK. What do you think would look right? Shh. K. That's right, a K. Oh, you are too clever. Let's put it all back together and say the sounds out loud again. Sh, k, shook. Well done. I'm so impressed, but here comes the tricky part. Where do you think the sound buttons and sound bars would go? At the start, we have a digraph, 2 letters making one sound. So is it a sound button or sound bar? That's right, a sound bar. Because SH makes sh. And then we have our vowel digraph making one sound gets a sound bar as well. And then K on the end is making a sound by itself, so it gets a sound button. Well done. Okay, now it's time for our caption. Okay, our caption today is look at the food I cooked. That's a bit tricky. Can you help me? What do we need to remember when we start our sentence? That's right, a capital letter. Let's do that. What is the first word in our sentence? Look. Sound talk it with me as we write it. That's our vowel digraph. Look at. You know the word at? Sound talk it. At. Look at the. You know the word the? Look at the food. Food. That has our long vowel digraph. Food. Look at the food I cooked. Sound talk it with me as I write it. Our vowel digraph again. Cook. How do I make it cooked? That's right, add ed. Look at the food I cooked with ed on the end. Well done. What do we need at the end of our sentence? A full stop. Excellent work. Do you think you could write your CVCs? Really? Have a go. And don't forget your sound buttons and sound bars. How did you go? I'm so impressed. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you very soon.